Today's video we are going to be unboxing the November TOYL box. Hi there guys and welcome. I hope you are all having a fabulous day. Today's video, like I've just said, we are going to be unboxing the November TOYL box. So let's get straight in here and have a little look-see. So per month, this is the most expensive box I pay for per month. It cost me £35 per month because I was a subscriber before the prices went up. And yeah, the new price for this is £39.99. I can't remember, is there any codes or anything to get this a bit cheaper? If there is, I'll pop it down below in the information box for you, if there's any savings to be had, so keep your eye out down there. We have the edit card or little booklet. Let's have a look. Welcome to your fine line erase box. Nice. I'm definitely in need of this. So yeah, let's get on in here. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Right, let's have a little sneaky peek. So this is what it looks like inside. Oh, and we can't see much, so I'm just going to bring everything up. So I've brought everything up. There is a little leaflet here for a brand called Dr. Jackson's. I do believe that is a product that's in here. But yeah, let's just get stuck in. Just noticed as well on the back of the card, there's a sneak peek for December. Can you see that there? It is by the brand Aromatherapy and it is a bath and shower oil worth £55. Ooh, nice. So there is a little note, and by little, not so much. On here, I'm not going to read through all of it, I'm just going to read the first little bit. So it just says, fine lines are your #1 beauty concern according to a poll that they did earlier in 2023. This box will help you minimise your appearance as we move into the party season. So yeah, cool. The first product we have in the box is this, and look at that brand, guys. It is by the brand Morad and it is a Vita C triple exfoliation facial. It has an RRP of £75. How do you say that? Is it Murad? Morad? How? I don't know. Every time I say it, it's different, so you know. It just says, the brand says, while nothing replaces a professional facial, an at-home exfoliation enables the maintenance that keeps skin radiant and healthy looking. When tested head-to-head against a microdermabrasion facial, Vita C triple exfoliation facial delivered comparable results in just one use. Gold stabilised vitamin C delivers antioxidant defence and brightening benefits, and the colour changing formula indicates even application to make exfoliation an effective and gentle experience every time. So just massage into clean, damp skin using a circular motion. Formula changes from orange to white to indicate significant facial exfoliation and an even application. Leave on for up to 10 minutes. Wet hands and use a sweeping motion to rinse off to complete your facial. Yeah, cool. I love this brand so much, and Jesus Christ, this is £75. Love that it's full size, but there we go here. Have I had one of them before? I might have one sitting on my shelf waiting for me to test out, you know. So I am going to leave this nice and sealed. But yeah, I normally, when I do facial exfoliators, I normally do those when I'm in the shower. But yeah, great brand. The second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Darphin Paris, and this is Stimulus Skin Plus Absolute Renewal Lip and Eye Contour Cream. Ooh, it has a value of £35. The brand says a luxurious, fast absorbing cream to visibly reshape eye and lip youthfulness from within. The eye area looks brightened and reshaped. Fine lines and wrinkles are reduced. Skin feels firmer and looks more lifted, and dark circles less visible. Lip area looks rejuvenated and smooth. Apply morning and night around the eye area and lip contours. Use fingertips to apply, then massage around the eye and lip contours. Yeah, cool. If it works, freaking fantastic. But that ain't gonna last for long because it's teeny tiny, and I think this is, well, yeah, it's a full size. They only do full size in here unless stated otherwise, I think. But yeah, wow, it's so small. 5 mil. So I'm hoping, because it's so small, a little goes a long way. Is that right? Have you used this before? Is it any good? I'm not going to open it because it's worth 35 quid for such a small amount. I want to use that and get full, proper, fresh benefits from it. But I've had 1 or 2 products by this brand before, and yeah, really good. The third product in this box is this. So this is by the brand Rodial, and it's Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Jelly Face Mask. This has a value of £12. It says here, the brand says, designed with intense cooling hydrogel technology. Each sachet contains 2 halves of jelly face mask to comfortably wrap around the upper and lower contours of your face for a more customised fit. Dragon's blood and hyaluronic acid work to visibly smooth and hydrate for a more plump, healthy appearance. Pardon me. How to use. Obviously you stick them on your face and you leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, cool. Normally with face masks or eye masks, if I can get away with it, I just stick them on and leave them for as long as they stay on for. I just get busy either reading or editing a video or cleaning or something. But yeah, if this is a jelly one, I suppose it's going to slide if I move around, so I'm going to have to lie there and relax and slap this on my face, which is going to be torture, but someone's got to do it. Yeah, love the brand. Love, love, love. Fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand bareminerals, and it's ageless 10% phytocollagen firming cream. It has a value of £9. The brand says it's an anti-aging cream taken from the purest hibiscus flowers for firmer, plumper, more lifted skin. Bare Minerals collagen firming anti-age cream hydrates the skin. It's a collagen booster, reduces wrinkles, proven to increase natural collagen and skin elasticity. Apply evenly to the face after you've cleansed, AM and PM, and gently massage into the skin in upward strokes. I'm presuming that's not a full size because it's 8 mils. But yeah, cool. Love Bare Minerals. Absolutely love Bare Minerals. I've had a few products, mainly makeup, so yeah, really glad to get that. Again, I'm leaving this sealed because I want it nice and fresh when I slap it on my face. But yeah, can't wait to use that if it works. Brilliant. So the fifth and final product in the box that we have is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Jackson's, and it's O2 Night Cream. It has a value of £20. The brand says an intensely rich and deeply nourishing moisturiser that hydrates, smooths and softens the skin while you dream peacefully at night. An essential part of your bedtime ritual, this luxurious formula is packed with powerful and fragrant botanicals that work in synergy to regenerate dry skin and help diminish fine lines. Use nightly after cleansing. Smoothing gently onto the face and neck and décolleté or décolletage, however you say that, for all genders and all skin types. External use only, obviously. But yeah, oh, I've never heard of that brand before. Never ever heard of that brand. And that's that leaflet that we got. So it says get 20% off exclusive offer if you use that code there. So if you want to try something from that brand, get 20% off. Yeah, I'm going to leave, actually no I'm not, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to open this up. I've got to open something up in here. That is what it looks like. It looks, just by looking at it, it looks thick. Oh yeah. It feels thick but light. Oh nice, that feels so hydrating. It has a nice glow and that is absorbing beautifully into the skin. Oh my god, yeah, and that smells so relaxing, so relaxing. Yeah, cool. Well, since I've opened it, I'm going to have to test it out overnight now, aren't I? Hey guys, so this is the November TOYL box, Time of Your Life. So this is the Fine Line Erase box. Does it say on here? Yeah, it has a value of £151. Wow. Personally, I think we have some nice bougie little products in this box, which I'm very happy with. I'm so happy to get a full-size Morad, however you want to say it, product in the box. Fantastic. Yeah, we have pardon me, a lovely gorgeous night cream that has made my skin feel oh so good, and it's only been on a few minutes. We have a bareminerals product, we have a Darphin product, and we have a Rodal product. So fabulous brands, fabulous products. Yeah, it is an expensive box, but we have some nice expensive good quality products in the box as well, which is great, and not products that are constantly doing the rounds in all of the beauty boxes. So yeah, we might get a mask in another beauty box, we might get a Morad product, but not normally a full-size product in other beauty boxes. These three I've never had in another beauty box that I can remember. But yeah, I am really happy with this box. So this box is for the normally say like 35-40 plus, for the more mature skin type, but you can definitely get this box younger. Prepare your skin while you're young, which I didn't, and I've got all these yucky fine lines and but yeah, this gets a huge thumbs up. Very happy with it. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.